All right, so for number 6, it says, on a scale drawing, the scale is 1/4 inch represents 1 foot. What are the dimensions on the scale drawing for a room that is 16 feet by 17 feet? Again, let's say this is the length and this is the width. So we need to find the length and the width. Okay. To find the length, we're gonna use, instead of 1/4, we're gonna use 2500ths because it's easier to use a decimal. So you're gonna put 2500ths inches over 1 foot and set it equal to 16 feet and then X on top. Okay, so let's go ahead and use 1 times 16 is 16. So 2500ths times 16 is 2500ths times 16 is 4. So X is 4 inches. And then for the width, we do the same thing. So 2500ths inches over 1 foot equals, the other dimension was 17 feet on the bottom. X is what you're looking for. And again, we're going to do 1 foot times 17 is 17. So 2500ths times 17 is 4 and 2500ths inches. Okay, now, but when you're looking at your choices, you're looking for 4 by 4 and 2500ths or vice versa, but you don't see 4.25. But you know that 2500ths is equivalent to 1/4. Okay, so the answer is B, where it says 4 and 1/4 inches, which is equivalent to this, by 4 inches. Okay, all right, number 7. The house shown below was drawn using a scale of 2 inches represent 5 feet. What is the actual height of the house? So I have 2 inches represent 5 feet. Okay, and then if you look at the scale drawing, it has 9 and 5/10 inches, and you're looking for the actual height. Okay, I'm gonna use cross products. So I have 2 times x, is 2x equals 9.5 times 5, which is 47 and 5/10. And you divide both sides by 2, you get x is equal to 23 and 7500ths feet. So if you look, now 23 and 7500ths is same as 23 and 75 over 100, which if you reduce them by 25, you would get 23 and 3/4. So the answer is 23 and 3/4. Now, is it feet or is it inches? You're looking for the actual object, which is in feet. X is in feet. So the correct answer is this. And notice how they give you the same value, but in inches, you gotta choose the right one. Okay. What is the scale in problem number 7? Okay. Now, for the scale, you do not use any of the scale drawing or the real object. Remember, scale is 2 inches represents 5 feet. If 2 inches represent 5 feet, 1 inch would represent how many feet? That's the scale, okay? So you are going to divide both sides by 2. So 2 divided by 2 gives you 1. So 5 divided by 2 is 2 and 5/10. Oh, actually, that's not what they're looking for. Well, because I wanted to find a scale in the simplest form, but I guess it's okay to just choose 2 over 5. Okay, scale drawing over the original. There we go. Number 9, on a blueprint, a guest bedroom has dimensions 5 by 7. If the blueprint is drawn using the scale of 1/2 centimeter equals 2 feet, what is the area? Okay, so I need to find the length and the width, okay, of the actual object. So I'm gonna use the scale. So 5/10 centimeter over 2 feet equals, now first I'm gonna look for the length and then I'm gonna look for the width. So 5 centimeter over x. So I can use cross products. So 0.5x is equal to 10. So multiply, cross multiply, divide both sides by 5/10. So x is, and 20. This is the length. And for the width, you do the same thing. So 5/10 centimeter over 2 feet equals 7 centimeter is what you're going to use on top. X is what you're looking for. So cross multiply. 5/10 x is equal to 14. Divide both sides by 5/10. You get x is, should be 28. 28. And this is the width. Okay, so let's answer number 9. To find the area is length times width. So it's 20 times 28. So 20 times 28 gives you 560 square feet. Okay, so the answer is D. And then using that same length and width that you found, what is the perimeter? So for the perimeter, you know that these dimensions are 20 feet, and then these dimensions are 28 feet, and for the perimeter, you're just adding them up. So I'm gonna do 2 times 20 plus 2 times 28, which is 40, plus 56, which is 96 feet. And the answer is right here. Okay. All right, so hopefully that helped. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.